The development of high-caliber personnel in the fields of science and technology is extremely important for the development of the country, towards strengthening its ability to compete in the international arena. The Royal Thai government, through the Office of the Higher Education Commission of the Ministry of Education, is cognizant of this issue and has initiated a project for the development of postgraduate programs and research in science and technology, with the first phase from 2000 to 2006, with funding for the project through a loan from the Asian Development Bank, or ADB. The postgraduate education, training and research program in environmental science, technology and management, or ESTM, was one of 7 projects selected for funding. The main objective of the first phase was the development of high-caliber graduates to meet the human resource demands for continued and sustainable growth in all sectors of the Thai economy. In the second phase of the center's operation, there was still a need to produce graduates to meet the present and future needs of the country. In the third phase, emphasis was placed on research-oriented development of graduates, addressing problems that are of national and regional importance. In the first phase, requirements for meeting the objective included high-quality students, postgraduate programs of an internationally accepted standard, state-of-the-art research equipment, and research of the highest quality that would be accepted worldwide and that addressed issues of concern at the national and regional levels, emphasizing the negative impacts of chemicals, for example petrochemicals, on the environment and human health. The first phase of the center's operations was evaluated by a technical evaluation group from the United States and was deemed to have exceeded the set objectives, that is, the number of graduates produced, publications in international scientific journals, and the initiation of 5 new doctoral programs. In addition, the Chulapon Research Institute, the Asian Institute of Technology, and Mahidol University's Faculty of Science jointly established the Inter-University Postgraduate Program on Environmental Toxicology, Technology, and Management at master's and doctoral levels, which was considered an innovative interdisciplinary program that integrated the physical and biomedical sciences and engineering together into the curriculum, the first of its kind in Thailand and in the region, which was opened in 1999. In the previous 2 decades, the negative impacts of chemicals on the environment had become increasingly apparent, and impacts on health were projected to increase. The scope of the center was therefore expanded, and the name was changed to the Center of Excellence on Environmental Health, Toxicology, and Management of Chemicals, or ETM. Additional collaborating institutions were the Chulapon Graduate Institute, or CGI, and Chiang Mai University's Faculty of Science, along with their associated educational programs. The new member, Chulapon Graduate Institute, initiated 3 international postgraduate programs aiming to produce future leaders in science and technology. CGI aimed to be a center of excellence for education in selected fields for the Asia-Pacific region. One of the strengths of the program was that doctoral students had opportunities to carry out research at Massachusetts Institute of Technology or other well-known and high-caliber collaborating institutions. The 3 postgraduate programs initiated at CGI are Applied Biological Sciences, Environmental Health, Chemical Biology, and Environmental Toxicology. For the third phase of operations of the center, emphasis was placed on research-oriented development of graduates, addressing problems that were of national and regional importance. The center consisted of member institutions with expertise in several distinct areas. These institutions included Mahidol University as the lead university, Chulapon Research Institute, Chulapon Graduate Institute, and Burapha University. The center strives to be internationally recognized for excellence in research and innovation in the fields of environmental health, chemical safety, and pharmaceutical development, supporting scholarly activities which created new knowledge to enhance the nation's self-sufficiency and competitive strengths. To achieve this, the mission of the center are to conduct research and to create new knowledge that enhances self-sufficiency and commercial innovation in the industrial and service sectors. To develop human resources at the master's and doctoral levels, as well as qualified research scientists in environmental health sciences, bioengineering, chemical biology, and toxicology. To collaborate in research with other institutions and with the industrial sector. To provide capacity building opportunities for personnel in the public and private sectors, and to enhance their potential through the organization of short-term training courses, seminars, and workshops. The three key research directions and the associated research focuses are: first, impacts of the environment on human health; second, development of technology for environmental and health research; and third, safety risk assessment and management of chemicals in environmental management. The center established 5 key research programs that integrated the expertise of the member institutions to study: first, environmentally related diseases, etiology and prevention; second, development of biologically active compounds for treatment and prevention of diseases; third, development of methods for detection, quality assurance, safety and efficiency, and technology for the evaluation of food and chemicals; fourth, development of technology for treatment, remediation, and reuse of chemicals and wastes; and fifth, assessment of health and environmental impact of pollutants. These research programs guided the initiation of projects by the various member institutions. Chemicals of interest were those that had economical significance for the country and region. Studies were designed to assess adverse impacts on the environment and human health, while also assessing the potential to use various chemicals to benefit humans, for example through the development of pharmaceuticals and nutritional supplements. Additionally, the development of technology for the assessment of toxicity and potential benefits of various chemicals was a priority, with objectives of improving research, solving problems, and adding to the intellectual property of the center, which was extremely important as Thailand moved towards its Thailand 4.0 strategic phase. For the center to successfully accomplish its vision of being a hub for education and research for the region and sub-region, the following features were put into place. Programs and activities of member institutions recognized by international organizations, selected ongoing postgraduate programs taught by international faculty and attended by international students, central equipment facilities with state-of-the-art equipment for chemical analysis of samples, and for biomedical research at the molecular, genetic, and cellular levels. A AAA LAC accredited animal facility with internationally recognized management and state-of-the-art equipment, including a rodent inhalation toxicology unit, and research accomplishment at the international level with publications in internationally peer-reviewed scientific journals. The unique strengths and opportunities of the center can thus be summarized into 2 main categories: research and academic activities. In terms of research, the center has initiated and coordinated integrated research programs and projects that utilize and pool the unique yet complementary expertise of all participating institutions to address problems of significance for the country and region, which is something that would be difficult to do for any one institution. To support this, the center provides major scientific equipment and laboratory space at 2 central equipment facilities, at the Faculty of Science of Mahidol University and the Chulapon Research Institute, for use by all researchers and students. In terms of academic activities, the center provides opportunities for cross-registration and credit transfer among participating institutions, thus pooling resources and giving students a unique opportunity for a varied set of skills and knowledge necessary for conducting research. It also offers a range of courses taught by world-renowned experts from leading universities around the world, as well as international organizations. Many of the short-term training courses by international experts, which are offered on a regular basis, can serve as refresher courses for faculty from various institutions in the region, or training the trainers. Through its network of collaborations, the Center also provides opportunities for research and training in world-renowned institutions in North America and Europe. This table summarizes the output and outcomes of the Center, specifically the total number of graduates and the number of publications in scientific journals. Since 2000, there have been more than 800 master graduates and more than 180 doctoral graduates from the Center's member institutions, with over 740 publications in national and international scientific journals, as well as a number of patents awarded, which are considered the major academic achievements of the Center. Other key outputs include provision of technical services to the educational, production, and service sectors. In addition to the significant number of publications in national and international scientific journals, several journal articles of member institutions of the Center have been highlighted. For example, on the cover of well-known international journals, such as ChemMedChem, the European Journal of Organic Chemistry, Organic and Biomolecular Chemistry, and most recently, Cancer Cell. Additionally, several researchers from member institutions have been honored with awards from around the world. The Center of Excellence on Environmental Health and Toxicology plays an important role in the development of qualified personnel for the country, as well as in the carrying out of research on topics important for the sustainable development of the country, partly by addressing problems related to health and environmental impacts. An annual scientific conference organized by the Center provides a stage for member institutions to present their research, as well as an opportunity to collaborate and integrate the knowledge and expertise unique to each institution towards addressing issues of concern for the country. Research conducted under the key research programs of the Center will help strengthen the research and academic capacity of the country, allowing it to ultimately be self-reliant in the area of environmental and public health. This is also in line with the National Thailand 4.0 strategy, which calls for the utilization of science and technology to support industry. For example, in the areas of health, wellness and medical technology, and food, agriculture, and biotechnology. The success of the Center so far has been based on the cooperation of the academic units of all member institutions at all levels, including students and faculty, for whom there is a need to meet to exchange ideas, knowledge, and experiences towards the continued development of the Center, and to strengthen its status as the Center of Excellence on Environmental Health and Toxicology for the country and the region.